Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a return of a subscription box I haven't unboxed for a while on my channel, and it is the Lemonade box, and this is their February beauty box. So if you're new to the subscription, then carry on watching. I'll just give you a quick lowdown. But if you're familiar with the Lemonade box and you just rather skip through to seeing what the contents are, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for sharing it with you on YouTube. They have given me a code to share with you, which is Claire35, and it's not affiliated, as in I don't receive any commission for it, but you're welcome to use it because it entitles you to receive 35% off your first box, which is a brilliant discount. The box costs £25 a month, and that includes free shipping within the UK, and out of the UK it's an additional £13. They also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription. Inside you'll find between 5 to 6 cruelty-free self-care products to help reduce stress and to encourage mindfulness and positive thinking. Each box has a minimum value of £55. All products have been tried and tested and will feature products from big brands as well as small up and coming businesses. If you're interested in this February box, you have up until the 17th of the month. If you subscribe on the 18th or afterwards, your first box will be the March box. I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, if you want to know a little bit more, then you will find links down in my description as well as the code. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to opening this up and showing you what's inside. This is what it looks like. You've got some heart confetti there. Okay. So we've got some little leaflets here telling you about the products, so I'll refer to those as we go along. I'll just give you a sneak peek first. So a little note about your February box. January is over and we're super excited to welcome February with you guys. This month is known for being all about showing and receiving love, so of course we want you to be sure that you tell all your loved ones how much they mean to you, but that's not all. We want you to show yourself lots of love too. Now on to your mission. This month we want you to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the quality of being present and fully immersed in what you're doing at the moment. If you're washing up, really focus on the task and think about each dish as you go. If you're watering your plants, take a close look at the leaves and notice the varying shades of green. Try to be free from distraction and aware of your thoughts and feelings in each moment. By doing this, we lower our stress levels, improve focus, and we're kinder to our mind. As always, we're rooting for you. Okay, so first item in the box, and we've got a product for your hair. This is MD Hair Customized Hair Care Serum, and it's to restore. And there's 30 mils here. I don't think I've tried anything from MD Hair before. So this is a new brand for me. Looks like that. This is full size and it retails for £44. This plant-based serum treats your scalp and helps hair grow through thick and strong. Dermatologist formulated and tested, this vegan, sulfate-free, alcohol-free, fragrance-free and colour-safe formula uses potent DHT blockers to stimulate the hair follicle for stronger, thicker hair. I am loving this. In addition, it includes foti root. I've never heard of that before. Extract to improve scalp health and help prevent premature greying. Yeah, I think I've passed that now anyway. What more could you want in a hair serum? Clean and recycle pots and pipette after use. Discard the top. That sounds brilliant. Does it say when to do it? I like to do it when I go to bed. It says fill the dropper and evenly disperse the serum and massage it into your scalp with your fingers. When your hair dries, brush the hair out to regain its fluffiness. Apply 1 to 2 times a day. It says your 1 month supply. I'll give that a go in the morning because I have tried some serums before and I just can't use them during the day. I have to apply them before I go to bed, and then I wash my hair the next day because they're just a little bit too greasy for me. But no, it sounds great. It does sound great. Next up, we have got a product by Grums. This is raw coffee, hand scrub and wash. It says we recycled organic coffee grounds collected by cargo bike in Aarhus, Denmark. And there's 120 mils there. I think I've tried this before, but I think it was a body scrub. Wow, it smells. Yeah, it smells gorgeous. It smells of coffee. Yeah, really, really great for your hands. This is full size and it retails for £15. With a blend of recycled coffee grounds and pure natural ingredients, this vegan scrub can be used on your hands, feet, elbows, knees and anywhere with tougher skin to deeply exfoliate and buff away dry or dead skin cells, leaving your skin clean, soft and glowing. In addition, this scrub stimulates your blood circulation that decreases inflammations and visible signs of aging and improves your skin's ability to absorb lotions and cream. Made from sugarcane plastic and can be recycled as normal. So we've got a hand scrub. Next, we've got some incense sticks. This is Hello Glow pure natural incense sticks burning for you. Oh, I love incense sticks. What's the fragrance though? A sensual blend of neroli, oh I love neroli, lemon and pineapple and peach, leading to a floral heart of jasmine, ylang ylang and rose, combined with rich musks, patchouli oil and cedarwood. Right, besides the rose, which I'm not that keen on, I love the rest. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, that is lovely. That is really, really lovely. I have got a load of incense sticks. But there's only a certain few I can use, well, unless I'm in the house on my own, because the kids are like, oh, what on earth are you burning now? It's disgusting. This is really nice. It is really nice. It smells really fresh. And yeah, be great to disguise smelly dog odour, no doubt, which we're having trouble. Our golden retriever, she's 8.5 years old. She is so smelly. She smells of feet, like smelly rotten feet. And she has baths and we groom her regularly, but I don't know whether it's an old age thing where she's starting to stink more. I don't know. You can purchase these for £1.99. It's been a long time coming, but we finally managed to team up with Hello Glow again and bring you their brand new incense sticks just in time for Valentine's Day. A sensual blend of neroli, lemon, pineapple and peach leading to jasmine. This combined with rich musks, patchouli oil and cedarwood is sure to boost your spirits and leave your home smelling gorgeous. If you do not have an incense burner, try using them on a heat-proof surface or prop them up in a clean, dry soda can. Remember, blow out the flame after a few seconds of lighting to allow them to burn slowly. Yeah, really, really love that. Next, we've got something to eat. And these are Ollie's pretzels. Oh, so cheesy pretzel thins. Oven baked pretzels. And this is a free gift. We've been looking over the feedback from our subscriber survey and we found that lots of you love getting a free tasty treat in your boxes. Oh yes. So we're going to try and include them more often for you. This month you'll have a vegan snack from Ollie's Pretzels in either oh so cheesy or sour cream and onion that we hope you'll love and enjoy. So, next up we've got a product by Duval's. This is a citrus argan body oil and there's 15 mils here. It's a body oil. I can still smell the coffee scrub on my hand even though I've wiped it off. But you can smell the citrus. Yeah, it's really nice. It's not too overpowering. It is lovely. Again, this is full size and to purchase it will cost you £15. This body oil is infused with a light and fresh sweet citrus scent with undertones of fresh lemon, mandarin and grapefruit oil. These uniquely and expertly blended, nourishing and beneficial oils are enriched with organic first cold pressed argan oil to moisturise and hydrate dry skin and hair. If you want to try something a little different, add a few drops to your bath for complete relaxation of the mind, body and soul. And it says, how will you use yours? Clean and recycle bottle and pipette after use and dispose of dispose of top. So we've got a body oil there. And then lastly, we've got a product by Mono Skin. This is a Flash Relax Mask. This is vitamin C and marine magnesium. And we've got 50 mils there. This can be bought for £34.95. This mask works to smooth fine lines whilst firming facial contours to give you an instantly more youthful and radiant complexion. Careful combination of ginseng and magnesium gently relaxes the muscles to provide a soothing and lifting effect to ensure skin looks and feels toned and tightened, whilst vitamin C and B12 naturally enhances the skin's radiance. To use, apply once or twice a week to clean skin, avoiding delicate eye and lip areas, massaging well and leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Slight tingling may be experienced, and it says clean and recycle bottle after use. It's like a gel mask. Ooh, I don't want to make a mess. You know, it smells exactly like a beauty salon. Oh, it's lovely. I've made a right mess now. So those are all the products inside this month's lemonade box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap, and I'll add them all up and I'll be back. We've got MD Hair Care Serum, Grum's Raw Coffee Hand Scrub and Wash, Duval's Argan Citrus Body Oil, Hello Glow Incense Sticks, Ollie's Pretzels, which is a free gift, and lastly, Monoskin Flash Relax Face Mask. The cost of the box is £25 and this month it has a value of £101. I am most excited about the hair serum. That sounds amazing and I can't wait to see what it's like in the morning, to see whether once it's dried down and I've brushed it out, whether I can actually leave the house and feel confident, as opposed to some other serums I have tried before where I can't, because it does leave my hair feeling quite greasy looking. Love the fact that we've got incense sticks in this box. Something I'd love to see more of in different boxes. But yeah, I love it. The smell is gorgeous and yeah, I can't wait to burn them. And I'm sure my kids will like this one. The body oil, the face mask, the hand wash and scrub, I think really great products to have in a box. I have tried a few Monoskin products in the past and it's been hit and miss for me. I haven't tried this one. It doesn't ring a bell. Anyway, I haven't tried this one. So we'll see how that goes. But as always, I'd love to hear what you think. What do you think of this subscription? Is this a new subscription to you? Are you hearing about this for the first time? What do you think about it? Do you think it's worth the money? Or are you a regular subscriber? What do you love most about the subscription? Please comment down below, and I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.